Hello everyone, this is iPhone 11 Pro. Explain to you how to install the battery cell. Unscrew the tail plug screw and use the suction cup tool to disassemble the iPhone. This is what it looks like when opened. Remove the battery cover with a screwdriver. Remove the two buttons. Then disconnect the battery. Remove the battery. This is what it looks like after dismantling. We start dismantling the battery. Peel off the header sticker. This model has two bottom stickers. No plastic protective bracket. After the sticker is removed, use ceramic scissors to cut the cell directly. This is its battery part. This is its protective plate. The battery is not durable. The battery core is worn out. We keep this part. In this way, the phone can display the battery health normally. Take out new batteries. Tear off the protective sticker. Then this ear needs to be cleaned up in the early stage. Clean up the residual glue on the surface. If it is not clean, it will affect the welding effect. Clean up the residual glue with cleaning agent. There is no need to wipe the aluminum foil side. Just polish it off. Use a sanding pen to cut the previous solder joints. Polish smooth. It looks very shiny after cleaning. Pull the two polars. Matching position with the cell. Fold over the ears. Handling leveling. Welding with a capacitor welder. 4 to 5 solder points for each tab. Solder one lot and then weld the other side. Good welding effect. Cut off the excess tabs. Then turn back. Then use insulating stickers for insulation protection. Then install the plastic protective bracket on it. Take out the stickers. We restore it according to the normal 3-layer protection. This is what it looks like after pasting. Then stick a battery glue. Read the data of the current battery. The first boot still shows unknown part. The battery percentage will be displayed on the second turn on the iPhone.